So just a quick video, if you've got a Honda IGX 700, 800 and you're having running issues, one of the common issues we find, there's a fault from Honda to do with the amount of carbon black in this spark plug cap here. It's categorized by what it might start and run on tick over, but it won't run anything more than that. You try and rev it off, it stalls and splutters, and is to do with losing spark out of the plug here because of the carbon black content. There's a quick field fix, which is much quicker and easier than replacing the entire coil pack assembly, which involves taking the engine halfway apart. What you do, I'll show you now, you only need a couple of tools. You need the replacement part, which we can supply for you, and some side cutters, which are down here. So, the fault itself, if the engine was running, you'll find you get a shock off here if it is losing spark, because it arcs from here rather than through the plug into the actual engine itself. So to fix it, you replace the plug cap. So you pull this off your engine, and you've got this rubber boot, which you pull off, and you see where it's crimped onto here. So with your side cutters, cut that tight as you can to the metal crimp, and then you get your replacement part. So basically this is like a phenolic resin plug and you don't lose the spark through it. It's sealing boot, so the sealing boot comes off, goes onto the cable, like so. And then this one it's like a self-tapping thread in there, and you're screwing that into your HT lead here. So you want to keep it nice and keep it square, and then apply a bit of force and just steadily screw it on there, and it'll thread its way into the lead. And keep going until you'll feel a change in the resistance when it bottoms out, which is as far down as it wants to go. And then you rubber boot, you slide on, plug on, and you're good to go. Fire the engine up, check it. It should be running quite happily across the whole rev range. Obviously you've got to do both sides. We've just shown you on the front. Reverse is the same, but from the other side, and that should get you back up and running quickly and easily.